Hey guys, this is a Learning Tiger here, and in today's HTML tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys about superscripts and subscripts. Now, first thing is a superscript. Let's say you have like a plain regular text, but you also want to make a certain text smaller. That's where the superscript and the subscript comes. Well, yeah, they both come, the superscript, also the subscript. So I'm gonna first show you the superscript, how you do it, then the subscript. Yeah, for the superscript, I mean it's you want to make like a trademark symbol. Use the superscript. You can use the superscript, but can also be used for if you want to do a mathematical formula, or you want to post mathematical formulas on your web page. You can do that. Um, So yeah, without further ado, let me show you how to. First, I'm going to show you the trademark, how you can make it. Yeah, let me write some text. Oh yeah, from here you put the. I'll make the superscript for trademark. First thing you have to put is this and symbol, ampersand, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. When I get into programming, I do my programming tutorials. Yeah, teach you more about the ampersand. So yeah, and or ampersand. And then you just type in trade. Now let's see what comes up. Let's run, run, run without debugging. Yeah, there you go. So this is a trademark. Lines are spaced so characters do not collide. Then TM, trademark, right here. The the and, the and symbol, and then trade. The text is smaller than the regular text. Just just pause. Pause. Feel free to pause the video if you guys want to see it. Okay. Now, now it's not just what the trademark, but you can also do like other texts. other text. So let's see. Yeah, run this. Oh, what am I doing wrong? Oh, what am I doing wrong? I disregard what I said. No, that's not how you do it. I do other text, but you can also do it with want to put in mathematical formulas, want to do some math into your web page. So say you want to do a square root, cube and square root. Say a square of 4. Want to do the square of 4? Put and symbol SUP, then put 2, SUP2 equals to 16. Yeah, obviously 4 times 4 is 16, so breakpoint. Then for the cube of 4, you SUP. Then you this time it's SUP3. We'll do 64. 4 times 4 is 64. Again, save and run this. That's right. Yeah, there you go. So square of 4 is 4, and then and SUP 2, 4 power of 2 is equal to 16. And then 4 and SCP-3 is 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So, yeah. You can also, you have to do it like just putting an and symbol and SCP. If you want to, well, let me run this again, show you. Oh. So you know how this text is, the 2 and the 3? 2, 3, and this 2. You notice how they're really small? However, if you You don't want it that small. You can do it like this. Just copy paste this. It's not easy to type. Okay, and what you want to do is you just put like a tag. The tags goes like this. So yeah, two SUP tags, and then you put text inside that you want to put it. Make it small. Just the two. Same thing we're gonna do here. That's three. One. Oop, yes. Okay. So yeah, again with this the and symbol over here, and SCP-2 and SCP-3, the text appears like this. 2 and 3 appears like this. But however, with the SCP tags, it appears like this. Yeah, a little bigger than those, and then these two. Now, it is recommended you use the SCP tags because, you know, it can be easy to, read, easy to see. If you can't see the smaller text, yeah, use this. Uh, yeah, yeah. Those on those on a superscript. Now we're gonna do subscripts. Now a subscript is it's the opposite of a superscript. Instead of the small text appearing on the top, it appears on the bottom. So a subscript, yes, I'm saying that right, subscript. Here's how the syntax is. Here we'll put water, water H, print water H2O. You go print it like this. CB2. And oh, there you go. Line break. Water and oil. H. So on this. So yeah, this is a subscript. This it's two, two, and then four. It appears at the bottom instead of the top. You want text like that. And you can even do You even can do it like this. For and symbol CP CB 2. Let's see what happens if I run this. I don't think I can do an SUV with the hand, but let's see. It appears like that. So yeah, sorry. I guess you can only do it with the tags, the SUV tags, but yeah, it is recommended I use tags for the superscript and the subscript. So yeah, yeah, that'd be all. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.